Hi guys, today we are in our completed project in Santa Ana. It was the garage that was converted to an EDU, 400 square feet. Let's check it out. The client requested to transform the two-car garage into a beautiful living space for rental purposes. This 400 square feet EDU features a living area, kitchen with an island, a 120 square feet bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a 60 square feet bathroom. There was even space for stackable wash and dryer. The entire process, including designing, permitting, and construction, took about 1 year. And the first tenants are moving in tomorrow. If you are looking to have something similar done for your property, feel free to contact us.